Hey, smart home people, are you looking for a way to make your buttons, switches, and appliances smart? Well, I have a solution for you, and that is SwitchBot. This smart home tech will automate your home's simple machines or switches and seamlessly integrate them into your smart home. SwitchBot sent over a few of their devices for me to test out. They've had no role in me writing this review, and let me tell you, they are awesome. SwitchBot was also super generous enough to offer a giveaway for my subscribers. Yeah, that's you. So stay tuned till the very end of this video to find out how to enter. All right, let's switch this review on. Meet the SwitchBot family. They're an assortment of inexpensive gadgets that allow you to automate and control buttons, switches, and IR devices around your home, even when you're not home. What makes all of that happen is the SwitchBot Hub Mini. This device acts as the control center for their products and allows you to control the tech with your smart home assistants. It's got Wi-Fi for control in the cloud, IR or infrared, which can automate IR technology like projector screens, projectors, fans, ACs, and more, as well as Bluetooth to communicate with other SwitchBot devices. Connecting your SwitchBot devices is extremely easy with their intuitive and quick app. Once you connect a device, make sure you turn on cloud services. That way you can control them with Echo devices and Google Home. SwitchBot doesn't work with HomeKit, but it does work with Siri shortcuts. On the SwitchBot app, go to the device or scene you want to control and select Siri shortcuts. Then type in a voice command and voila! One way I'm using the Hub's IR sensor is to control my fan and AC unit in my room. I got this to work by programming the IR commands of my fan remote to the Hub. And you can do this for a bunch of devices as long as they have an IR sensor and a remote. Aside from programming just the power button, I can program any command that is on the remote, like swing. Right off the bat, you can't ask your voice assistants to set the fan to swing. You can only do on and off for devices. So to do this and multiple actions at a time, you'll need to create scenes, which you can do right on the SwitchBot app. I created a scene called Breeze. I set the condition to be manual execution, which in this case is me asking my voice assistant to turn on the scene. And the actions that it will execute are my bedroom fan will turn on, and then it will start swinging. As soon as the scene is saved, it's automatically sent to your voice assistant. Look at how fast the scene syncs with my Echo. SwitchBot also has a solution so that you don't have to use voice commands for certain automations, and that is using the SwitchBot Meter. The SwitchBot Meter allows you to create scenes and automations based off of temperature and humidity. This cute little device comes with an adhesive metal plate so you can stick it on walls. Once connected on the app, just choose it and set the conditions. In this case, I only want my AC unit to turn on when the room temperature hits above 78 degrees. And I can also set the days and time periods. Okay, so I haven't even told you about my favorite device they make, and that is the SwitchBot Bot. Here's what it does. The turn on Justin. Ooh, I'm aroused. The SwitchBot Bot comes in white and black and can push any button, and in some cases pulls them to automate things that would otherwise not be smart. It's really handy for those types of devices that smart plugs won't work because even if you turn the electricity on and off, they still need that button pressed. The bot has an adhesive bottom so you can attach it to just about any surface. It also comes with a couple looped command strip pieces that you can adhere to a switch, which will allow the bot to pull to turn a switch off. Once it's connected to the app, you go to settings and program what it's doing. If it's pushing a button, you want it to be on press mode, and you can even choose how long you want it to press for. So for a PC that needs the button pressed for like 2 seconds to turn on, this is a really great solution too. You can also set it to switch mode, and this is where those looped command strips come in handy. Now that I've shown you all these devices, let me show you how I'm incorporating them into my routine to start off my day right. Oh, hey, good morning. This scene is for how I start my day when I want coffee. I'll have my AC go on, all of my hue lights, and I'll have the coffee start brewing. That way I can focus on getting ready for the day, and then coffee will be waiting for me when I'm done. Here goes. Start my day with coffee.
Justin, here's more from your flash briefing.
SwitchBot has really proven to be a great solution for most smart home enthusiasts, and I truly recommend it to everyone. There's also a brand new SwitchBot curtain device that's coming out, and I'm definitely gonna get my hands on that, and I'll let you know how that is. I'll probably make a video on it, so stay tuned for that. Oh, and that reminds me, we are doing a giveaway. We're giving away a SwitchBot Hub Mini and a SwitchBot Bot to 2 lucky winners. Head over to my Instagram to find out the rules for that. And if the giveaway's over, don't fret, I've thrown links to all the products in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them for you, and stay tuned. I have a lot of smart home videos coming out. You're not gonna wanna miss them, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click that bell for alerts so you know when the videos drop. And if you thought these SwitchBots were as awesome as I think they are, give this video a like. I'm Justin, and I'll talk to you later. Isn't it so cute? This little thing is a button presser, a light switch puller. It does a lot, because it's a bot.